Do you find it hard to manage your money? The best finance apps can help you take control and make your life easier. So this video is not financial advice, it's for educational purposes only. So let me just tell you this. Managing your money can be tough, especially with so many expenses and goals to think about. But don't worry, the right finance app can help you stay on track and reach your goals faster. So let's dive into the best ones for you, all right? Now, step one, budgeting apps, okay? If you struggle with sticking to a budget, apps like Mint or You Need a Budget, that's what it's called, You Need a Budget, can help you create a clear plan. So they let you track where your money is going and keep you from spending too much, okay? It works for a lot of people, check it out. Step two, savings apps, okay? Saving money for big goals is important, and apps like Qapital, it's capital with a Q, and Simple, it's another app, Simple, make it easy. So, you can set up automatic savings and even save a little bit at a time without thinking about it, okay? Step three, investment apps. If you're ready to grow your money, apps like Robinhood and Acorns, I'll put this in the description, everything I'm saying, will help you to start investing. So, it makes it very simple even if you're a beginner, so you can start building wealth for the future. So, take charge of your money today. This is not something, I wish I started even earlier, okay? And, if you like this video, leave me a like, comment if you want, subscribe if you want. I love you.